On Wednesday, the Technology Innovation Forum 6 was held. We'll have an in-depth interview with panelist and COO of Plextronics a little bit later. But first, MRS TV was there to cover the highly anticipated event.
We're here for the Technology Innovation Forum, which is focused on entrepreneurial excellence and innovation. The themes of the forum will be this transition. How do we take discoveries and inventions and transition them into the market, innovation?
This forum is focused on how you bring a technology to market.
As an entrepreneur who working on new material, we need to engage with our downstream customer to really have the value proposition in their language and to co-develop our product with them and make them the hero.
I'm on the panel that's looking at transitioning materials from the lab to the actual manufacturing process, because this is where the actual innovation occurs. We need to implement these ideas. I think this is a very important discussion because in my view, the US and other regions are going through a manufacturing renaissance. So by definition, if we're manufacturing things, we need to understand how we take discoveries from the lab, turn them into inventions, and eventually implement them in innovations.
I go to two different types of conferences. One type of venture capitalists and entrepreneurs and business people, and the other type of scientists and engineers. And so I wouldn't say that there's too many people on either side, but I don't think they talk as much as they could. And so I think sessions like these are really important to mix those two crowds to really make it work.
I learned was that despite the general belief that venture capital is the funding is the way to go for a material startup, that is actually not the right way to go in today's environment.
So I think one of the most important things from these types of events is a lot of what you need to know to start a company you can't learn in a class.
For me, a success would be if one of these brilliant inventors and scientists is able to think, perhaps I have an innovation, and if I partner with someone, whether it's an industry or their home institution, they can turn this discovery into something in the marketplace. That would be success.
I enjoy it thoroughly. This is well exceed my expectation. I've taken so many notes, and I really make important contact, direct contact for what I want to know. So I'm very thrilled. This is a great forum, and I want to thank the organizer for that.